Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you are looking at my hangover of a motorcycle. Yeah, I know the design, ain't it? But as they say, fuck GoPro. Overall, I'm extremely surprised how well this came out. I mean, wow. 701, 701 Supermoto, and obviously on the front as well. Little Husky logo, just so you don't mistake what this is. Also painted most of the neon yellow, black, just left these two stripes. Breaks it up a little. Looks, look, it doesn't grab me, but at least it's fucking different, you know. Other than that, tires. Holy wow. Pirelli, I don't know what you do to these tires, but they definitely work for supermotards as well. Time for some track day. Yum, 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 yum. It's amazing grip on these things. How do I know? Because, okay, with the Rottweiler Performance Kit, etc., plus we are at high altitude in Johannesburg, but the front comes up in second gear. Yeah, torque wheelie, power wheelie, not even clutch up. So, hell, almost no slippage on the back. It just be advised. That's fucking dangerous. And of course, I know it looks fantastic. Yeah, some of you are thinking, God damn, man, what sort of a donkey vomit have you built here? No, that's your opinion. But I do know what will change your mind, and that is. How does it go? Everything owes its existence to sound. Hit it. And before all of you start asking, how many more horses did you pull out of this motor? Well, it's a bit of a drawback. Because of the altitude of Johannesburg versus sea level, these bikes, naturally aspirated, actually lose horses up here. So, the best I could actually hope for was via Power Commander and a tuning shop was to get the original horses back. I know, what a fucking waste, right? So that means, what have we got here? Supermoto 55 kilowatts. Yeah, so 72 horses again, give or take. Look, even the tuner said, single cylinders, such small things, it's difficult to get major power gains out of it. That, and it's a bitch apparently to sort this stuff because you need to connect to 4 coils. Remember this? Wait, 4 coils? Hold on, brain fart. No, hold on, to each spark plug. So 2 spark plugs, single cylinder. There we go. Whew. Wow. Thinking hard. Much today, yes. Anyway, look. At least the guy said, and he did quite well, before the curve was basically. So now it's smooth. This thing doesn't behave like a bitch on crack anymore. It's now mellowed out. Now it's a bastard on cocaine? No, not cocaine. Marijuana. There we go. That mellows you out. I have no idea how I know this. Kids, if you're watching, your dad. Oh, fuck off. Never mind. I've done my fair share of balls up in life. So, as you can see, the bike is complete as she stands. I even took her to the track. Cue image. And I didn't crash, so there's a positive thing. Yeah, my daughter's cabriolet, okay? Real fast. Picking up guys with it. Or women, I don't know. She hasn't decided yet. She hasn't told me which direction she swings to. Maybe she swings both ways. Yes, she's hot, and no, you're not getting her number. Fuck off. Okay, where do we stand? Where was I? Oh, yes, track. Scary. Okay, coming from the 1190 with its 50-50 off-roads, now going on track and really leading it over. Incredible, okay? At the last section, I mean, the superbikes, straight line acceleration, they take me down, no problem. But in the corners, I was basically keeping pace with them, it's like corner, very difficult to shake this thing because it's so easy and flickable. So supermotors on the track, hell of a lot of fun. Yes, only have a toothpick of chicken strip left. Be proud, yeah. Speaking of these tires, amazing grip. I don't know if the Supermoto tires from Michelin or Continental would do any better, but these things, rock solid. Definitely can do more than I can. Oh, and did you know that brake pads actually discolor when you really push them? Yeah, this was supposed to be copper color, now it's a whitish color. Using the rear brake much? Yes, I am. So, overall verdict. This is a bike I've poured a lot of money into to customize and make it fit me. And gentlemen, I am happy. Wait for it. But it's kind of annoying when you're being overtaken by a super bike in the straights. And you know what I mean. You're just pottering in a straight line. You're giving it all. Faster, Scotty's faster. Oh, 140, 150. And fuck. Okay, he was going 210. Son of a bitch. I'll catch you in the corners. That's the only drawback with this thing. But that being said, supermotos are not built for that long speed. Okay, look, I added a windscreen, so at least I don't auto wheelie anymore, which helps. But as a hooligan bike, gentlemen, there's nothing finer than going into the corner and accelerating in the corner and the ass just slips out, or you hit a patch of sand and the rear just goes belly up and you are just dabbing your foot. It's like, back we go. Absolutely fun. Okay, supermoto hooliganism, is that a word? Who knows? Definitely recommend it. If you have got the option of getting a first bike and making it a supermoto, be it a Husky 701, a 501 or whatever the fuck, or maybe even a KTM 450 or 300 supermoto build, go for it. You will not look back. No, really, it is that much fun. And remember, it's always more fun to ride a slow bike fast than a fast one slow. So what's next on the cards? Well, this is my daily now. Well, not daily, but my stress relief. The 1190 is up for sale. I washed all 3 bikes today. Got all the crap out of it. KTM, obviously, the more expensive version, gets covered. The SM610, well, standing here. The sacrificial lamb, if they ever decide to steal the motorcycles, at which point claim the insurance. So, let's see. I get rid of them this year. C'est la vie. Mind you, though, 2016, 123, 3-year-old KTM 1190 Adventure R with a couple of extras. Yeah, the dealers will lowball the crap out of you. 80,000 rand, huh? Okay, I got her at 193 plus extras and all that crap. And I claimed the VAT back because I ran over the company. Psst, don't tell SARS. It's supposed to be a delivery bike. But yeah, motorcycles, much like cars, lose their value extremely well. Yeah, so, what else? What was the topic again? Yeah, Alzheimer's and its consequences. I have spoken to KTM for a 790 Adventure R. Unfortunately, and KTM South Africa, if you are listening, I know you guys are very low on stock, and the stock comes in, it's sold immediately, but that does not qualify in telling prospective customers, you know what, come, maybe we'll let you know when new stock arrives. Or if the guy is a freak like me who wants a tall seat, you don't tell him, it's like, yeah, we'd have to wait till someone orders it, and then, we could put it on a bike if we've got one, and maybe you can ride it. It's like, fuck the right off, okay? Take that shit and put it in Poop Alley. That was PG-13. Regardless. And as I heard from Yamaha, it is currently end of August 2019. South Africa is getting the Yamaha T700 production stock only in June 2020. Yeah, we're not getting the stuff from Frankreich, like the Europeans. We are getting Japanese stock. Is that better or worse? I don't know. Again, it's disconcerting. I would really like to swing a leg over the T700 because it looks better, in my opinion, and seems to be ergonomically more up my alley. Whatever that means. Seeing my alley is quite full. Phrasing. Okay. Gentlemen, I sincerely hope that you have enjoyed this little, upgrade or bike demo or what the hell. I certainly have. I've had a lot of fun building this thing, as you can see with the previous upgrade video. And I will continue to modify bikes like this because A, it's fun, B, it keeps my hands out of my pants and off my wife, because, can't have a third or fourth child that I know of. And for shits and giggles, you have to ask yourself, why not? Fuck it. Make it your own. So what if you lose a bit of money? I mean, hey, I'm already a Rand millionaire. Yeah, the Rand millionaire. Our US dollar Rand exchange is currently 15.5. Shit. Come to South Africa. Buy yourself a politician. Get a street named after you. And you can live here like king. Kings. Well, it depends if you're the right skin color. If you're white, you'll have to probably join the Stellenbosch Mafia. Don't get me started on that. South Africa's still in a heap of shit, to such a degree that a lot of people are getting despondent and immigrating. Trust me, I am on that list. Again, sorry, I don't want to be negative, but it's also weighing on me at the moment. That's why I have this bike, to hit the open road, fill up with fuel, and you know what I'm doing? Full throttle, slip the clutch. Yeah, okay, my wheelies are not that impressive. Sometimes I get comatose wheelies, where it really just goes nya, 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 at which point I'm thinking, what am I doing? How am I doing this? Huh? Yeah, you can laugh at me. I'll make a video of it. I'll probably crash on it, so that'll get some few likes. Anyway. Now what kind of videos do I create next? Can't do of the bikes anymore. How to raise children? No, how to discipline children? I'll figure something out. I'm sure there's something that is unique to me that other people would like to see me do. What are you doing? No. That's Pornhub material. And no, that's not free either. Regardless, gentlemen, ladies, boys and girls, until next time, good night.